This quick fix is for clearing mental overload. In today's busy and fast-paced world, many of us are up in our heads and out in the physical world doing so much stuff. Sometimes we're not managing how active our minds are. This particular pranayama, which is a breath exercise, is really wonderful for slowing the mind down and coming back into the stillness of the body so that we can relax. When we're relaxed, then our mental clarity gets better and our decision making gets a little bit crisper. This is really an easy pranayama. We're going to take our right thumb, place it on the right nostril, inhaling through our left nostril. And then we're going to hold our breath for 20 seconds. As we hold our breath for 20 seconds, you let your body relax, your chest relax, your face relax. And then when we get to 20 seconds, we're going to take our right index finger, close off our left nostril, and exhale through our right nostril in 4 even exhales. With the breath all the way out, close off the right nostril, inhale through the left. Suspend the breath. We're going to be holding the breath for 20 seconds. When 20 seconds comes, close the left nostril off. Exhale in 4 segmented exhales through the right nostril. So why don't we try this together? So let's all place our right thumb on the right nostril. Take a deep inhale through your left nostril. Suspend your breath. Close your eyes, relax your body, settle into your heart center. And then go ahead, let's close off our left nostril, exhale through our right. Inhale through our left. Suspend your breath, relax your shoulders, your eyes, your face. Go ahead, close off your left nostril, exhale through the right. 4 equal exhales. Inhale through the left. Suspend your breath. Feel the quietness within the chest center. Allow yourself to relax into this space. Go ahead, close off your left nostril, exhale through your right. Inhale through your left. Suspend. Relax into your body, relax your shoulders. Find that still spot inside. Exhale through your right. Inhale through your left. Suspend. Exhale through your right. Inhale left. Exhale right. And then let's inhale with both nostrils. Suspend the breath for a moment. Eyes are closed. And then slowly, slowly exhale. Feeling your body settle. Pausing for a moment to see how this breath has changed your mental state. Real key to this pranayama is the breath hold. There's this space of stillness where we're not even breathing. And it's a beautiful opportunity to tap into the body and just to get back into the body so you can feel what's taking place there and let the mind quiet.